Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to answer the question, why won't your device charge? So, the first thing that you need to check is the charging port. Take a look here. You can use some flashlight to flash inside and check. If you see any debris, if you see any dust, everything, or some moisture, if you see that something is wrong, clean it. Clean it with the non-metallic tools, some brushes. I prefer actually medium ones, not hard ones and not soft ones, just some medium ones. And isopropyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol, because they don't conduct the electricity. So this is the first thing to do. If you don't see anything bad, however, or if you see that it's damaged, of course, you need to contact the device support. But we can do one more thing. Try replacing the cables, try replacing the power chargers, power adapters actually, and the power outlets. You need to combine all these three things till you have this one combination that works. If you still see that your headphones don't want to charge, you need to contact the device support. Bye.